Hello children, Sairam. Welcome to the online classes. This is science subject and you know what we are going to do today? Today again we will continue with the revision part, right? Today we are going to revise a chapter 9, that is reproduction in animals. Okay, and today we will start with part 1 of revision. Yes children? Okay, now in this lesson we are going to revise different concepts like why do animals reproduce, how do they reproduce, and what are the different ways of reproduction, right? Okay, in this slide you see different animals. They are there with their babies, right? Their young ones are also seen in the picture. Okay, so reproduction means, or to reproduce means to produce the young ones. Okay, and all living things, they grow, as you know. All living things, they grow, they become old, and they die. Okay, and there are the stages in the life of a living thing. Okay, these stages are form its life cycle. Okay, and the animals, or you can say the living things, they reproduce so that the life on the earth continues, right? Okay, so see, all living things produce young ones like themselves, and so life on earth can continue. See now, here are the stages of human life cycle, right? As you can see in the picture. So what we are going to do, we will mark the stages. Okay, below are written the names of the stages, and we have to match these names with the pictures, okay, correctly. Come on, let us do. See, the first one you can see is a baby. Okay, you can see this is a baby, right children? Then is the child. Then comes a stage called adolescent. Then a an adult. Okay, and finally an older adult. Okay, as you can see, older adult. Okay, so these are the different stages in the life of a human being. Okay, now if you see, animals reproduce in different ways. Okay, some animals, they give birth to the babies, while some animals, they lay eggs from which the babies hatch. Okay, so animals such as humans, lions, tigers, crows, and bears, they give birth to the babies, and so these are called mammals. Okay, what happens? The babies, they are formed inside the body of the mother. Okay, in case of mammals, the baby is formed inside the body of the mother, and the baby stays for many weeks or months, okay, in the body of the mother before it is born. Okay, see here. And after it is born, it is a small, very small, and it is quite helpless. Okay, so mother has to take care of the baby. Okay, and the mothers also feed their babies with their own milk. Okay, and these animals, as I told you, these animals are called mammals. Okay, they are called mammals. Here you can see the different pictures of the animals. You see, okay, lioness and cow, sheep and lamb, mare and colt. Okay, so these are the examples of some of the mammals, right children? Okay, now another way of reproduction is by laying the eggs. Okay, what happens? Some animals like birds, snakes, frogs, okay, they reproduce by laying eggs. Okay, the eggs are laid and the babies hatch out of the eggs. When they get matured enough, they hatch out of the eggs. Okay, this is another way of reproducing. Right, children? One way is by giving birth to the babies and another way is by laying eggs. Okay, now here we will do a simple activity to find out which animals reproduce by laying eggs or which animals reproduce by producing young ones. Okay, by giving birth to their young ones, you can say. Okay, so here we will tick right to the animals that give birth to the young ones and we will put cross to the animals that lay eggs. So let us begin. See here. So here first one is tortoise. Okay, now as you know, tortoise lay eggs. Okay, while so I will put cross on tortoise. Why? Because tortoise reproduce by laying eggs. Another is an elephant. As you can see, another picture is of an elephant. And you know how elephant reproduce? Yes, you should be knowing now. So, elephant reproduce by giving birth to its baby. Okay, to the young elephant. Okay, as you know, it is a mammal and it also take care of its baby. Okay, so I'll put right on elephant because it reproduces by giving birth to the young one. Okay, another is a picture of grasshopper, you can say. Okay, so grasshopper, you know children, grasshopper is an insect. Okay, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Yes. Okay, insects means butterfly, cockroach, grasshopper, they all reproduce by laying eggs. Right, so I'll put cross on it. Right, children? Okay, then next picture is of a cow. Okay, cow is also a mammal. Okay, and so it will give birth to its young ones. Okay, it will reproduce by giving birth to its young one. So I'll put tick on cow. Okay, another picture as you can see is of a fish. Okay, and fish reproduce by laying eggs. Okay, so it is cross. Right, children? Okay, as fish reproduce by laying eggs. Another picture here is of a tiger. And tiger also, as you know, is a mammal. Okay, it gives birth to its cubs and also take care of its cubs. Okay, so we have to put right on this. Okay, see here is the answers for the animals that give birth to the young ones. Okay, and these red crosses are the animals which reproduce by lay eggs. Okay, now I think you are pretty clear in your mind as which animals reproduce by laying eggs while which animals reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. Okay, so moving further, here we will revise in the form of filling the blanks. Okay, children? Okay, so first one is dash feed their babies with their own milk. Okay, now you must be knowing the answer after listening to me again and again. Okay, so which animals feed their babies with their own milk? Yes, now you know they are mammals. Okay, mammals feed their babies with their own milk. Okay, next one is stages in the life of a living thing form its dash. You know, As I told you, all living things, they go through different stages in their life. Okay, they grow, they become old, and they die. So these are the stages in the life of a living thing, and they form its life cycle. Okay, so the answer for the second fill in the blank is life cycle. Right, children? Next one is life continues on the earth because all living things reproduce. Okay, as I told you, to to the life, for the life to continue on the earth, they have to reproduce. Okay, so the answer for the next, the last one, is reproduce. Now I'll show you the slide with the answers. See here. Mammals feed their babies with their own milk. Stages in the life of a living thing form its life cycle, and life continues on the earth because all living things reproduce. Okay, so I hope you are very clear of this concept of the lesson. Okay, further we will be doing the revision in the part 2 of the same lesson. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.